In this video, I'm going to take a crypto-based checking service that is taking the crypto banking space by storm. OnJuno is offering some awesome checking account products with some pretty great perks. Without further ado, let's jump right into everything that OnJuno currently has to offer, including one of my favorites, getting paid in crypto. Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're having a wonderful day. So OnJuno has actually been around for a little while now, but has recently been gaining a lot of traction. So when we were given the opportunity to partner with OnJuno and give you this review, we were happy to oblige. So yes, this video was made in affiliation with OnJuno, but we hope that this video gives you an open and honest review that you have known and come to expect from our channel. So if at any time you do want to go and check out OnJuno during this video, then there will be a link down below in the description. And if not, then don't worry about it. We just appreciate you being here. All right, so we're gonna jump right into the video. We're gonna talk about two big products that OnJuno offers. So the first is gonna be their standard checking account, which is the one side that's been there for a while the newer side is gonna be their crypto aspects. But let's start with the checking aspect of things. So if we take it one of their first main products, their checking accounts, they currently have two different options starting with their basic account starting off at $0 per month. Yeah, that's right, it's free. The basic account is a great option with no strings attached. You're going to accrue a 1.2% on balances up to $5,000, and you'll also earn a 6% yield on USDC coin with no yearly limit. And lastly, you'll earn a 5% cash back when you pay with your cash, or 10% cash back when you pay with crypto on a total annual spend of $500 on select spending categories of your choice. Now, another great benefit of this card is that it's going to allow you to access your funds at any 85,000 Allpoint and MoneyPass ATMs, and you'll even be able to have one free withdrawal during a monthly time span. So if you're not able to actually get to one of those ATMs from the Allpoints and MoneyPasses, then at least you'll be able to go to any one of those ATMs in the world and you'll still get your money back from those fees. Now in comparison, their upgraded account, the Metal Checking account, offers a couple more benefits than the basic one does. Now you may expect an upgraded account to also come along with a fee like many other premium cards out there like the Amex Platinum or the Delta Sky Miles Platinum one. They all have fees associated with them. Well, that is not the case with this Metal account. Now the only catch along with this, with the zero fee for this Metal account, is that you have to have at least a $250 direct deposit into your account on a monthly basis to maintain this status. And you may have guessed it, with it being named the Metal account, then you will also receive a nice black Metal debit card for your use as an added benefit. Now, I am a sucker for these type of cards, as I do have the American Express Platinum card, the Delta Sky Miles Platinum card, and I also have the Chase Sapphire card, and all these are metal, so I do love the feel of this card. Now, in comparison to the basic checking account, you will still earn 1.2% on all balances up to $50,000 compared to the $5,000 with the basic checking account. Now, comparatively to the basic, you will still earn a 5% when you pay with cash with your card and 10% when you pay with crypto on a total annual spend of $3,000 compared to $500 with the basic checking account. And just like the basic, you will still earn and receive the 6% yield on USDC coin, as well as the no fee cash withdrawals from the 85,000 point and MoneyPass ATMs. Now the only difference will be that you will receive 3 free withdrawals from out-of-network ATMs on a monthly basis. Now, one thing I do want to note for both of these accounts is that you will receive an automatic virtual card that you can use right when you sign up. If you would like, you can also request a card for the basic one, and obviously with the Metal one, you will automatically be sent a card for that one. Now, the one thing everybody is asking, well, if this is a checking account, is my money going to be safe? Is it going to be backed up by some other outside entity that's going to keep my money safe? Yes, OnJuno is going to be backed by another entity up to $250,000. OnJuno is backed by a partner bank, which is Evolve Bank, and Trust, meaning that all of the money in your account is fully FDIC insured up to $250,000, which should cover the majority of people that are out there, just like you and I. Now, another great benefit of OnJuno, just like a lot of the other fintech companies out there and apps, is that they do have some great financial resources that help you learn more about the space. Really great customer service that lets you talk to an actual person, which is a really important thing to me, as if I cannot talk to somebody with my money is invested into something or is being kept somewhere and I can't talk to an actual person, then that's a big red flag to me. And they have a great international transfer service that could potentially rival some of the bigger companies out there like PayPal in Western Union. Now, I also want to note that they have recently launched a couple crypto-based products out there that has set them apart from some of the other competitors. They are now giving a platform where you can keep your cash and usual money in addition to your cryptocurrencies in one spot. And that's really nice so that you don't have to start transferring between different companies and different apps just to make transactions happen. You can do it all under one platform. Now, another thing that's really setting them apart is that they are going to be allowing you to receive part of your paycheck in your cryptocurrency of your choice. And this is really cool because it can actually take a step out of you getting your monthly investing into crypto coins, and it can actually prevent you from having to put a lot of thought into it. I'm a big fan of investing into index funds on an automatic basis and dollar cost averaging my funds. And by doing this with OnJuno, a portion of my paycheck can automatically be converted into Bitcoin without me having to worry or pick the perfect time to invest in them, and it will actually dollar cost average that Bitcoin price over the monthly installments that I have set. And because of this, I give OnJuno a big thumbs up. They really make the process easy to accomplish and gives you an avenue to begin investing into the decentralized financing system on a monthly basis. And because all this is accomplished under their own app and it's not having to be switching hands too much, there are actually no fees when you are going to go ahead and buy those cryptocurrencies. And so there is no overhead, and therefore there is more money in your pocket, and that's how OnJuno is able to give you these great prices. Now, I really like this feature as it allows you to start investing in the crypto space on a monthly basis without you having to think about it, kind of similar to auto investing into these funds like I was talking about earlier. Now, I want to take a step back and talk about the app in general and talk about how it is actually very easy to access and understand. And for the average person, they will be able to go through this without any issues. You can find it easily on the Android Play Store or the Apple Play Store as well. Now, when you're in the app itself or online, you are able to get onto your own account and apply and be approved in no time, up to a few minutes. And the whole process really does seem seamless. And it really does line up with what OnJuno is going for, making this an easy and accessible way to manage your cryptocurrencies and your cash all in one spot for anybody that would like to do that. So overall, OnJuno is offering a great opportunity to make 1.2% returns on your money up to $50,000, which is the majority of the people out there that are having their emergency fund or their savings account holding in that spot. And it is a great deal, which in today's day and time is way higher than many other banking accounts out there, especially for being a checking account. Now, you may be thinking that 1.2% will not add up as much, but over time, this can really make a big difference. With all that OnJuno is offering, they are really blending the world of cryptocurrency and banking with competitive products. This is something that many other companies are not doing at this time. And it really is something that ultimately is very important, because if the cryptocurrency is going to be widely adopted and usable on a daily basis with our everyday lives, then we need products just like OnJuno to make that happen. So yes, I did sign up for OnJuno, and I do expect to use this service in the future to automatically invest some of my Bitcoin and hold some of my savings account in there. So I do know that we went through this pretty quickly, and if you do have any questions, then go ahead and leave them down in the comments down below. And as always, I do appreciate you watching, and if you are interested in OnJuno, then go ahead and check the link down in the description down below, as this is a great way to continue to support our channel, and we really do appreciate it. If you did get some good value from this video, one of the best ways to support our channel is hit that like button and subscribe so that we can put out more information and you can get notified when we do that. Thank you so much for your time. I really do appreciate it, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And as always, we want to remind you that we are here from your first penny to your first million. We'll see you next time.